Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the day 3 of my LeetCode series. Today we will solve the longest substring without repeating characters with the sliding window pattern. So there is a technique, we call it sliding window pattern. So first understand the question, what we have. So we have to find a substring from a string with most with the unique characters. Okay, so suppose this is the this is the string, then we have to find out the longest string, inside this string which are with having non-repeating characters. So as you can see, abc is the only substring here which is having non-repeating characters. Then we have AB, but that length is only 2. We will not take that. Then we are having CB, but the length is again 2, and we will not take that. And another we can say as B, but it's having the length of 1. So the maximum length which we are having a substring with non-repeating character is ABC. Okay. So let's go ahead and try to run this code. I will be using debugger to understand this code better. Let's go inside the code. Okay, we will be initializing some of the variable. Let me tell you the purposes. So scene is a set. We will be keeping all the scene characters, all the scene letters in this set, and we will be removing if there is any duplicate found. Okay, left will be keep track of the left window of our string. Max length will keep the maximum length of the string which we have found. Okay, and the right we will use to traverse through the string. And if there is any duplicate found, we will loop until the duplicate has been removed, and we will be moving left by 1. So basically what we are doing, if there is any new character, we will be expanding our window, and if there is any duplicate character, we will be like shrinking from the left side. So when you are incrementing left, you are shrinking basically. And then we will be putting the character into the scene set and updating the maximum length. Okay, let's see how it works. So okay, I am having the whiteboard here to make you understand better. Hope this will help. Let me initialize all the things. Okay, so in the first iteration, what will happen, the scene is currently empty. Okay, so this is new and it is currently empty. So what we will do, we will just check, we will take the first letter. So S of right we will take, and we will check if this is inside the scene. So scene is empty, currently nothing is having. We will just push this to the our set, and we will update the max length. So max length will become 1 now. Okay, it has been updated to 1. Earlier it was 0. In scene we have added a. Now right will move one step ahead. So earlier right was having at this place. Now the value of route become 1. Okay, now in the next iteration what will happen, we will check whether B is inside the scene. Yes, B is inside the scene. Then we will remove this, we will move the left window, and we will add the B which we are having currently. Okay, so what will happen, we will remove this, sorry it's B, we will remove this B, we will add this current B, we will move this L to here. Okay, and this will happen. Then we will move the right pointer of course one step further. Okay, and we are updating the max length also. So max length will become 1 now, because there is uh, until and till now we have found only one letter that has not been repeated, that is B. Okay, so basically this B we have found like the maximum length of substring that is non-repeating is 1 letter. So the max length is currently 1. Now we will move forward, and now A will come. Now we will feed A into scene variable and update our max length. So our max length will become 2 now, because we are seeing 2 unique characters, and right will move here. Okay, left will stay here now, and the max length become 2. Okay, in the next iteration what will happen, again we are having b, so we will removing the b from this and moving left and adding current b and updating the max length. Okay, so what will happen, L will now point here, R will come here. Okay, so and we will be removing this b, adding this b, and we will be updating max length. So max length will be remain constant, that is 2. Okay, now in this iteration what will happen, we are having c now in the bucket. So c will be added because it's not in the scene map, scene set, and we are updating the maximum length. Maximum length now became 3. Okay, it's become now 3. We are pushing c here, we are moving r here. Okay, and left is on second position, that is correct. Okay, now our right has gone to 5th position, and we are pointing to a, and a is already present in this scene set, so we will remove this. So we will remove this, we will update L 1 ahead, so L will become 3 now. Okay, L will become 3 now, and we will be updating the max length. Max length will be same as earlier, that is 3. Okay, now R will be moved one step further, R will become here, and again we are having currently B. B is already in the set, again the same thing will happen. So the value of L, okay, so the value of L will become 4 now. It will go one step further here, and value of the sorry, we are having only A and C in the map now. Okay, and like same iteration will happen, and we will continue till the last, and we will find that the maximum length remains 3. We will traverse throughout the string. Okay, so we will traverse throughout a string in the same way. So keep an eye here how values are changing. Okay, so it has returned us the 3. Okay, let me run it directly, and it gives us 3 because the maximum non-repeating substring is 3. I hope you understood this algorithm, how it is working. So let's talk about the complexity. Each character enters and leaves the set once, so it is on. Okay, and the space complexity is summation of the char set. Okay, so that's the sliding window pattern in action. If this helped, like and subscribe. The code is in my GitHub. I will be pushing this code. Ekdant AI LeetCode daily. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.